Masculine.
Adjective.
Having qualities or appearance
traditionally associated with men.
Especially strength and aggressiveness.
Some of the synonyms are
Macho.
Manly.
Muscular.
Well-built.
Red-blooded.
red-blooded.
My goodness.
Strapping. Strong.
Brawny. Powerful.
None of these really sound like me.
I think that definition is a little scary.
It's too small for something so big.
It's all about trying to get people to conform and be a certain way.
I think that's what gets us in trouble, is when we say that there's only one way to be a man.
So many individuals, they try and fit, and it just gets to a point where it's too much.
Where they are doing harm to each other and harm to themselves.
You don't have to do that.
You define your own masculinity. You define who you are.
For me, being masculine is being honest.
This is the body that I have. This is what I know. So to me, this is what a man is.
For me, being masculine means being brave enough to be who I am.
Being able to smile, being able to cry, being able to love and be loved.
That's the man I want to be.
What does it mean to me to be masculine? It's more a question of what does it mean to be human?